2 of fireworks. Run!
Oh my. What is it gonna do, bro? It's not doing nothing.
Just wait.
I feel scared like it's gonna, or like something like that.
This is not even cool.
It's not really. It's just that.
This is cool to you.
No, it's really not cool.
We'll come back to the next one.
Bro, I swear to God, it becomes flying again.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, what the freak? What was that?
Wait, what the heck was that? And that's mine too.
That's like the worst one I ever saw. Oh, run!
Oh my gosh. It's not.
I kind of like that. I love the color.
It's chill.
I love the color.
No, it's chill. Yeah.
The green and the pink.
It's cool. It's really cool.
Alright, Dad.
Doing these again.
Oh,
Not that
they're
cool.
flying too high.
Lenny, don't you go over that way.
No, like you need to.
Go closer that way.
Oh,
Getting darker. Oh my gosh.
oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh.
I twisted too.
That didn't even do nothing.
I love
Mine. We're doing mine, y'all.
What was that?
They're doing mine.
What clock is in the store?
Honey, is he doing that right over there?
You got the fuse hanging out?
Oh, that's pretty.
Y'all.
Super pretty.
For real though.
That's pretty. Look at
Da,
that.
da, da.
Running though.
Ah! Okay.
Scared, bro. I'm scared.
We're gonna zoom out.
It feels like that was just like a heart attack.
I want them to see the view of the fire. Ari, get back here.
You're like, here, oh my God.
Oh my gosh, bro.
I love the first to do the like.
Mistake.
Not the running.
Oh!
Oh my. Do you have any more fireworks?
No, not really. I don't think. I mean, yeah, I do. I do have more. We have more fireworks. We're proud to be an American. Okay, I need to stop.
No, because what if it might land on it? I'm running.
Oh my gosh, I don't want to be here. Oh! Oh my gosh, I thought that was gonna pop on me, bro.
No,
For real though.
keep on freaking running, bro.
For real though. I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
We're back.
Ah.
Do a little pose for me.
Slay. Slay.
Wait. Oh my.
They finally light it. She said.
Fan not lighting. Oh my God.
Ah. Hey, bro.
Oh my God.
Here it goes.
Keep on running like that.
Woo! That's pretty. I'm proud to be an American. All right, y'all. That's all. All right, all. That's the rest for the day. Come back to my channel later, cause I'm not gonna be posting that much right now. I'm gonna post this Time is up. Bye, y'all. I'm gonna go now.